I'm Helen McMahon for Expert Village. Today we're going to make old original Toll House cookies. This is the old original recipe that came from Pennsylvania when they started the turnpike. First thing we need to do is set the oven to 375. This is a convection oven, so the heating is very even. And that we'll get that started. And I'm going to give you the recipe so that you can write this down, and then you'll know what the ingredients are as we talk about them. You'll need 2 sticks of butter or margarine, and it's best to have them at room temperature so they'll be easier to beat. And 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. I use the dark brown, and be sure it's very fresh. And you'll need 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 1/4 cups of enriched unbleached flour, and 1 cup of walnuts, or you can use pecans, and they should be chopped, and a bag of chocolate chips. That's a 12-ounce bag of any brand of chocolate chips. Ghirardelli chocolate is particularly good. And the oven, as I mentioned, should be set to 375 before you begin.